Hello, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I know I look crazy right now. Yes. What I'm doing today is washing my hair, and I'm just gonna take y'all along for the ride. Right now, my hair is very much it's like reverting low key with a little bit of dandruff situation going on. So I'm gonna get some oil. Okay, so I got some oil. This probably isn't like crazy oil, but I just want to put this on my scalp just to have something on it. But it's just a little regular beauty supply oil. So I'm just gonna take this and just go crazy with it on my scalp. It smells like Blue Magic hair grease. Before I wash it, I like to revert my curls back. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. First I have to comb it out though, because it's pretty tangled. I could continue to wear it, but it's like, it doesn't look bad. It's still straight, It's just so greasy to the point where, you know how you touch your hair and it's just, your hands are just grease. And look at that, like they clump, no. So what I'm going to do, I have a water bottle right here and some conditioner. I use this, I'm gonna be using this because that's the only one that I want to use. Okay, so we're gonna start on one side of my hair. And I'm just gonna split, I guess I'll split this into two. No, we're gonna do like three going up. So 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna fast forward through this part and y'all can just watch what I do. And I'm gonna play music because this is gonna take some time. It's curling up really nice. The main reason I do this before I wash my hair is because in the shower it would take so long for my hair to get wet, and it will also be like really tangled. This way I have more control over the sections, and I can easily detangle them better, and I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is what we're working with. I really like my hair after I straighten it. Like, I would go out and wear my hair like this. Well, not like this. Oh, it's itchy. That was gold. Okay, hold on. And I want to show you guys how I wash my hair. Well, the products that I use now. There was this one time, little small story time. This is one time I straightened my hair and I was washing it, right? Bro, when I tell y'all, my hair smelled so bad. It smelled so bad. Like, right now, it doesn't even smell like I straightened my hair. But that one time, it smelled like I had some type of chemical on my hair. The back curls up really fast. Like, why can't the front do that? You see? My front pieces have always been like more wavy than curly. Like, you can tell. Like, even like my hair texture in general is more, I guess it's heat trained now a little bit, but the curls are still in there. It's not straight necessarily, so I'm not concerned. Alexa, play music.
Here's Apple Music.
The curls are looking really nice. Really nice. This is the side we need to focus on though, because my hair is more of like like a wavy texture. It's not really, it's curly, but it's not, out the way. These aren't really that cute, but it does help keep the conditioner off my neck. And I'm gonna let this absorb, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all me washing my hair. So yeah, put a little bit more conditioner down the center. Goodbye, peoples. For now, I'll be back. So I finished washing my hair, and I'm just gonna show you all how my hair looks after I wash it and rinse out the conditioner. I'm kind of hungry right now, so I'm gonna just slap some conditioner on here. Go get me some Zaxby's really fast. So I really don't know what I want to do to my hair, so while I'm gone, I'm gonna try to figure that out. But this is my hair. It looks so good. It looks so black. Like, it looks darker than usual. I think I want to do this hairstyle where you blow dry your hair and then you do the little flexi rod set, but also I don't know how to do that. You know, I'm just gonna do a twist out and call it a day.
In West Hollywood, we sell $250 million a year.
I made it to the top of my head. Okay, this part is just dry. Like, it doesn't have any water on it whatsoever. Looks like I have locks on my head, which is very nice. Okay, so the goal at the top on this section is to get them to match perfectly with these on this side. So this part is here, like that. Okay, I'm just twisting off each section. This is what I've been doing for each section, and it's taking me about 2 hours. I put the leave-in on, then I comb it out because the leave-in's like a good detangler. So I just take some of the twisting souffle and just rub it down my hair. In thicker sections, I put a little bit more just because I want my hair to stay, I don't want any frizz in that section. Honestly, I try to braid it down until the thinner strand of hair gets to the middle, so then I can split that in half to start a twist, because I don't want my twist to look lopsided. Lopsided? Lopsided. One of those. This took way longer than expected. Maybe because I haven't twisted my hair in a while. I really like the leave-in. Like, it just works so great on my hair. is done. Okay, so you see how I have like white all over my head? What I do is I just go in big sections and I just take whatever I have. With the towel, I don't drag it down my hair. I just squeeze, lift, just to squeeze some of the product out, and boom. No more white residue. So I'm gonna just take some jojoba oil and I'm gonna take like a quarter size amount, literally. Because I already had oil in my hair from earlier when I rubbed it on there. And I'm just gonna focus it on my scalp. My forehead is glistening, boy, it's shining. Okay, but yes, this is my hair after I've twisted it. Back is probably a little bit more gappy because of how I twisted it, but I don't really care about the back. I really mainly care about the front and how it looks. Dang, this shit's making so much noise. Oh, and to sleep, I forgot about that. To sleep, I just tie it down like with a bandana or a silk scarf. Put a bonnet on, or you can just sleep with it out. You don't necessarily have to sleep with anything on your hair if you have a silk pillowcase. Okay, I'm back. So today is the day that I take my hair down and show y'all what my hair's look like. I kind of stretched out my ends a little too much. So, cause I had it in a bun and it just like, you know, stretched out, but it's all right, it's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna put some oil on my hands before I start this so it doesn't have too much frizz, you know. I still want it to look good. So you just, you know, put oil on your hands and just unravel. So I braided the roots. So it should come out semi-easy, I don't know. Okay, so I finished taking my hair down and it looks pretty good, you know. Let's see back on it. I never wear my twist outs on the side part. Don't really know why, but yeah, it's very fresh right now, so it's not as like the roots aren't as fluffy as I want them to be. But that's all right. It's actually way bigger than I thought it was gonna turn out to be. The back is probably all types of separated. Let me scratch my scalp. Boom. That should have fixed it. Okay. I don't know what it looks like, but I hope it turns out good. Yeah. This is my hair. This is really cute. I'm gonna take pictures now. And yes, thanks for watching, you guys. I appreciate y'all. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye.